Okay guys, in this tutorial we will learn about bit error rate within the MATLAB. So for it, first of all, we need to declare two matrices or two vectors. In MATLAB you can call matrices as vectors. So take one vector named as t is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. You can see that there is one row and 6 column within the t. T is any random variable name. You can change it as according to your will. Then other one is y. Here you can see that 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Both are of the same length. That is, the number of elements within t is 6 and number of elements within y is also 6. So now we will use bit error rate command, which is built in within MATLAB. So you can use it like num comma ratio is equal to bit error comma t comma y. What actually will be done in this command? You can see that bit error is actually a built-in function that MATLAB is providing for better processing. It will calculate that how many bits of t are same as to the y matrix or vector. So here we can see that 0, 1 and 1, 0, they both are mismatching or mismatched to each other. Rest the 4 just match to the each other. So we can say that there are 2 bits which are not matching. And then after the assessment of these bits, number of mismatch and what is the ratio of mismatch within the whole vectors, or you can say that within the whole vector, or you can say that a number of mismatch versus the number of match stored inside this ratio variable. Numbers, just number of mismatch and ratio mean the, like you can say that the ratio between mismatch and mismatch to the matched bits. So we will get our answer. Now you can see that in num it is 2, as we said that 2 bits are mismatched and ratio is 0.333, which is okay because it is 2 by 6, like a total is 6 and 2 are mismatched. So hopefully you got the concept of number and ratio and bit error built-in function. So thanks for watching.